સ્વામીજી જસ્ટ બહાર ગયા છે, આવે છે. મંત્રીશ્રીને હું વિનંતી કરું છું, સર આપ પધારો. આપ સાહેબ થોડું 5 મિનિટ, બસ સ્વામીજી આવે પછી 5 મિનિટ કહીને.
માન્ય રાજ્ય કક્ષાના મંત્રી શ્રી આદિજાતિ કલ્યાણ અને વન અને પર્યાવરણ શ્રી જસવંતસિંહ ભાભોર સાહેબ મંચ ઉપર વિરાજમાન છે અને તેમના અધ્યક્ષ સ્થાને હવે માન્ય શ્રી શશાકાનંદજી સ્વામીને મંચ પર પધારવા માટે આમંત્રણ આપીએ છીએ. સ્વામીજી બસ આવી જ રહ્યા છે. કલેક્ટર શ્રી દાહોદ, આપને પણ મંચ પર પધારવા વિનંતી. શ્રી સત્યા સાહેબને પણ મંચસ્થ થવા વિનંતી.
આપણા વચ્ચે રાંચીથી પૂજ્ય સ્વામી શ્રી શશાકાનંદજી ઉપસ્થિત છે. એઓને વિનંતી કરીશું કે આજની કાર્યશાળાને એઓના માનનીય સંબોધનથી उद्बोधित करशे. माननीय शशाकांत स्वामी जी से हमारी प्रार्थना है कि आप अपना माननीय उद्बोधन कार्यशाला को प्रदान करें.
यहाँ लैपटॉप नहीं रखेंगे रमन जी? हाँ, अच्छा, तो इनको नेक्स्ट बोलना पड़ेगा. आप बस यहाँ देख के नेक्स्ट आप कहें तो वो चेंज कर दें. इसमें लाइए स्वामी जी का प्रेजेंटेशन लाइए. शुरू करिए. स्वामी जी आपका परिचय दे.
हमारे बीच पूजनीय स्वामी शशाकानंद जी अपने माननीय उद्बोधन के लिए उपस्थित हैं. पूज्य स्वामी जी रामकृष्ण मिशन आश्रम को बिलोंग करते हैं. उनकी पूरी जीवन यात्रा भारत के विविध आदिजाति विस्तारों के खासकर विकास के साथ जुड़े हुए प्रश्नों को लेकर विकास कार्यक्रमों के नीति निर्धारण एवं वर्ल्ड बैंक के प्रोग्राम से लेकर आयोजन पंच के जितने भी प्रोग्राम्स फॉर्मेशन हुए हैं उनमें उनका विविध कमेटियों में मुख्य स्थान में उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है. उनके सिवा वो करीब 12 कमेटियों में मेंबरशिप भी रह चुके हैं. मेंबरशिप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट झारखंड से भी उनका काफ़ी प्रदान रहा है और ख़ासकर पार्टिसिपेशन इन मेजर पॉलिसी डेलिब्रेशन में भी उनका बहुत ही योगदान रहा है. हम अपेक्षा करते हैं कि आपकी मन्नी उद्बोधन से आज हमें एक दिशा मिलेगी. धन्यवाद.
ओम नमः श्री अतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित् सुख स्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Friends, today my subject is key education issues in the tribal area. Next, please. My gratitude to the government of Gujarat. At the outset, I express my gratitude to the government of Gujarat Department of Tribal Affairs for inviting me to share our experience regarding development of tribal and backward areas. Out of my 50 years of monastic life, I have served the rural and tribal areas for 43 years in Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Jharkhand. On the basis of my experience while serving these areas following the path shown by Swami Vivekananda, I shall share with you in brief the same. Dedicated, patriotic, spiritual, aware officers is the first need. The first key issue for Van Bandhu Kalyan to achieve our object is a dedicated, patriotic and or morally aware development functionaries. I congratulate that it is that spirit which has brought you here today. You all are fortunate that God has given you opportunity to have highest spiritual experience by spiritualizing your mundane job as officers appointed to remove the miseries of tribal and underdeveloped persons who are none but God whom we worship. The inspiration behind the activities of Ramakrishna Mission is Swami Vivekananda, who, when he was in Chicago, after delivering his speech, he was hosted in a very rich family. There he had all comforts, but at night rolled the tears from his eyes, lying on the ground, thinking of the condition of our Indian people. Swami Vivekananda says, "Do you love your fellow men? Where should you go to seek for God? Are not all the poor, the miserable, the weak gods? Why not worship them first? Why go to dig a well on the shores of all the Ganges? Believe in the omnipresent power of love. The activities that you are engaged in are good. It is very good if you can perform in a selfless spirit, renouncing egoism, giving up the idea that you are the doer. Though such actions, one develops love and devotion to God and ultimately realizes Him. That is what Swamiji says. And friends, this is a very important issue, that to kill two birds with one stone, you are having your job at the same time. The gate of liberation from the birth and death is open for you by doing the same activity, by the same word, if you think that whom you are serving are nothing but God Himself. We make survey to know the present conditions to measure their needs. According to Swami Vivekananda, feeling for the tribal, underdeveloped, the poor, and the ignorant masses of our India, to the extent that it makes us sleepless, running in our blood, vibrating in our veins, and becoming constant with our heartbeats, and making us mad, is the first condition for the service. Find out a solution is another step. Feeling alone or wasting time in talking is not sufficient. We must find out a way out and make plans according to remove their miseries is the second step. And third step, to implement our plans with heart and soul. Swami Vivekananda says, yet that is not all. Have you got the will to surmount mountain, high obstructions? If the whole world stands against you, sword in hand, would you still dare to do what you think is best? Now, in reference to Ramakrishna Mission Ashram Morabadi Ranchi, about which our Honorable Chief Minister also has told, it is one of the branch centers of the worldwide organization. And this organization is running a Krishi Vigyan Kendra, and out of 650 Krishi Vigyan Kendra, this has got an award as the best Krishi Vigyan Kendra in India. We are also having the tribal areas activities, which is, we may say, economical, social, health-related, cultural, educational, and spiritual. Entry point was very difficult. A very strong entry point was needed to pierce the walls of their hesitation, fear, and somewhere hatred for the non-tribal. I understood that it was due to the exploitation by the upper classes and also the ignorance. They were ignored for a long time, that they have lost faith in us. Relief work in natural calamities, exposure visits to our selfless service activities, children education, health care, and distribution of the nutritional food among children, sports and games, cultural competitions helped us to gain their faith in us. So with this entry point, we entered in the tribal area. Education was the first priority we thought. Country liquor, drinking habits, lethargy, anathermus, inertia, and evil spirits, etc. were the obstacles in their development. Ignorance about their own underdeveloped state, poverty, and miserable condition. This was the condition at that time, but we started night schools since Swami Vivekananda says that education was the answer he got as a remedy for all problems and the roots of all development activities. So we had to make an action plan. Swami Vivekananda said, more than 100 years back, the greatest national sin is neglect of the masses. The fate of a nation depends upon the condition of the masses, not of very few persons. A nation can never develop if the masses are neglected. The poor must be fed, able to earn their livelihood. Education and health should reach them even in the last corner of the country. I'm very happy to hear the address of the Honorable Chief Minister, that everything in his mind is completely what Swamiji said. And naturally it may be because, as he said, in his early life, he was in contact with the ashrama, and he was very close to Swami Atmasvanandaji, who was at that time the secretary of the Rajkot ashrama here. Swami Vivekananda found it as a magical word. Education, education, education alone. Traveling through many cities of Europe and observing in them the comforts and education of even the poor people, there was brought to my mind the state of our own people, and I used to shed tears. What made the difference? Education was the only answer I got. Through education, faith in one's own self, and through faith in one's own self, the inherent Brahman is waking up in them, while the Brahman in us is gradually becoming dormant. When some people come from abroad who are Indians, but after education they go there, and when they come back, so we hear from them that they do not know anything about our own religion and our own culture. But people who come from West, they are expressing that they are in need of the Indian culture and Indian thoughts. Present education is negative education, as Swami Vivekananda visualized it. The present system of education, negative education, because it is only job-seeking education. Absence of the spirit and self-reliance, and national productivity and prosperity. Unfortunately, these words have got yet touched the heart of our leaders after independence till now, and continuing system of education introduced by Lord Macaulay, showering on us the wisdom style of living, high ambition, and unhealthy greedy competition for wealth, status, and false ego has thrown all values and ethics on the backside and resulted in more unemployment and poverty in the country. Again, I say, the speech of the Honorable Chief Minister has given a little comfort on this, because in Gujarat, perhaps, he has given this idea and it is coming up. To elevate the problem, skill education, entrepreneurship management was needed. Swami Vivekananda says, the education that does not help common mass of the people to equip themselves for the struggle of life, which does not bring out strength of character, a spirit of philanthropy, and the courage of a lion, is it worth the name? A father, Christian father, came from Mizoram, and he said that my agriculture secretary has sent me to Swamiji, you, with the words, if you want to save Mizoram, then go to Swamiji. I was surprised what I can do for them. And he said, 150 years we are giving this education, but the result is